loves, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today it is another Halloween video coming up, and I am so excited about this because I think that this is like the most common thing to be at Halloween, but I don't think that I've ever done it. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think I have. So today I'm going to do, in the cheapest, most affordable way, I'm going to create a sexy vampire. I added the sexy as I want this look to be like, for those of you that still want to be hot, you know, and not gross looking at Halloween, which is something that I can relate to most of the time, at least. This video is also in collaboration with Wet n Wild. If you guys want to know more about the cruelty-free status of Wet n Wild, as it has been in the news for a while now, I will have some links down below. And of course, Wet n Wild is still a cruelty-free brand, so yeah, that's that. Let's just get started with the tutorial. I'm gonna let you in a little secret, and that is that it is almost midnight when I'm recording this. I just had one of those days. I've stayed at home, not done anything than watch Netflix. I just get so creative during the night, and I'm sure that some of you guys can relate. So I'm just gonna take away any like oils or anything that I have on my face from the day. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you might have seen that today I actually got an allergic reaction to a face mask. This is how it looked, and therefore I'm gonna use just a very moisturizing cream before I put on the makeup. But if you're gonna wear this out, go ahead and use like a primer so it will stay on for the entire night. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Photo Focus stick foundation that I love, and this is in Shell Ivory. This is vegan, this is also vegan, and it is the Photo Focus concealer in Fair Beige. So this is a little bit lighter. Okay, let's just paint this on. And some concealing. Although I just figured maybe I don't need that much underneath my eyes because it's gonna be dark there, but at least put some here to highlight. This is probably going to be one of my first Halloween tutorials for this year. So if you guys really would love to see me do something special, then let me know in the comments and I will be sure to read all of those. And then some powder all over my face. I am obviously, as you guys know and as you guys can see, already very pale, but you don't need to be pale to be a vampire. But I would still like try and go maybe one shade lighter than you are, because I promise you it will look really cool. But yeah, I am the lightest shade, so that's that. I am actually gonna go straight in with one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes from Wet n Wild. It is their Rose in the Air, and I actually did a comparison with this one a few years ago with the Anastasia, this one. And the colors are, I kid you not, like it's the same. So I'm gonna go in with the transition shade over there. It is a very cool tone one. So I'm gonna use this to contour, and I really want to look dead. So I'm not gonna use any like warm shades in my face makeup. So I'm just gonna go in with this to really make me look not healthy. And then to make it a little bit darker, I'm gonna go in with this shade and make it even more hollow. This blush is called Blazing Berry, and it is one of my absolute favorite at the moment. And even though I don't really want any warmth to my face, I think that this could still work, as it is more like a little plummy color. And I'm just gonna use it right here and not too far in, For highlighter, I want the whitest I can find, and therefore I'm gonna go in with the Lights Out little quad from Wet n Wild and this brow bone shade, which is pure white and also shimmery. Look at that. Back to the Rose in the Air palette, and now we are gonna go crazy on our eyes. I am feeling like I want to still use this one as we use as contour, but I'm also going to add a little bit of this red one. If you guys recreate this, do not be scared to go out as far as you feel like. It's going to look really cool soon, although I think it looks cool already. But I'm gonna go in with the same shades and I'm gonna make some lines going from the eye and out. And for the palette that we used for highlight, I'm gonna go in with this black one just to intensify these little lines a little bit. Does anyone else get like, what's that name? Angel the vampire? Did anyone watch that? I used to be obsessed with that. Coming home from school and that was always on when I put on the telly. Now for my brows, as you guys can see, my hair is red. If you want to be a vampire for Halloween, I mean, you could go for any hair color you would like. I'm gonna stick with my natural hair color, the one that I have at the moment, and I'm gonna go in with the liquid Catsuit lipstick in Missy and Fierce, and I'm just gonna fill in my brows with this color as it is my shade, but you go for that shade that you want to go for. And now for some lashes. And for mascara, I'm gonna use the Mega Volume one that I have a before and after pic on my Instagram if you guys wanna see that. It is actually really good. I used to be obsessed with smudgy lips before. I think that I have a photo of it. If I can find it, I can include it. And I remember I posted that on YouTube and so many of you guys really loved it. And I thought that you guys was gonna be like, that looks really bad, please stop. But you guys really liked it, so I'm gonna do a similar one today. So I'm gonna go in again with this dark red, and I am going to smudge the lines of my lips, and I'm also going to add it a little here so my lips become a little bit longer and they just look a little bit more spooky. I'm gonna go in with two liquid lipsticks, the liquid Catsuit in Nudie Patootie and Nudist Peach, and I'm just gonna use this. I don't want to look cartoonish, but this will just give the illusion of bigger lips. And now, of course, for some gloss, I'm gonna go in with the Cedar Later and also Caught You Bare Naked. I'm just adding a little bit more contour to make it look a little bit more dark. I am going to fix my hair a little bit, add a pair of lenses, and then I will be back with the finished look. The look is done, and unfortunately I cannot get these vampire fangs on my teeth. It doesn't work. I think I've honestly been sitting here for like half an hour. Yeah, no. You guys have seen like 1 second on me with fangs, so that will do. I put on my fake bang because cute. Some what is this called? Earrings, this really cool necklace. What? sleeveless. From Regal Rose, I have this little trench coat from Dollskill, and I think that I look really cool. The lenses are from Shopping for Net. This is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoy it. I am feeling really hot and I cannot wait for my boyfriend to get home and I can be like, hey babe, how cute am I? Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. But that is it for this video. If you guys are like getting inspiration or recreating this look, please let me know by tagging me. And that is it for this video. Hope you guys will have an amazing day today, or have had an amazing day, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video. Okay, bye guys.